Hi everyone. Welcome to this tutorial on installing Tailwind CSS and React. Tailwind is a utility-first CSS framework that lets you style components directly with predefined classes like BG Blue 500 or P4. It's fast, efficient, and great for creating modern, responsive designs. In this video, I'll guide you step by step to set up Tailwind in a React project, so you can start building beautiful UIs right away. Let's dive in and get started.
Now, let's set up our React project with Tailwind CSS. First, let's create a new Vite project. Open your terminal and run the following command to initialize a new Vite app. npm create Vite at latest. You'll be prompted to choose a project name and a framework. Choose React and JavaScript for a simple setup. Once your Vite project is created, navigate into the project directory by running the following command: cd Vite project. Now, install the necessary dependencies by running npm install. To see your project in action, start the development server by running npm run dev. This will start the Vite development server and open your project in the browser. Once the installation is done, let's open up the project and clean up a few things. First, open the app.jsx file. You'll see some boilerplate code. Go ahead and remove everything inside the app component. We'll start fresh and build it out step by step. Next, open the index.css file and remove all the default styles. We'll add the Tailwind directives in a bit. Finally, open the app.css file and clear everything out, as we won't need it for now. With these files cleaned up, we have a blank canvas to work with. Before we start setting up Tailwind CSS, let's quickly go to our browser and search for Tailwind CSS Vite Setup. You'll find the official Tailwind documentation with all the installation steps you need. It's always good practice to refer to the docs for the latest updates. Now that the project is ready, let's bring in Tailwind CSS. To install Tailwind along with PostCSS and AutoPrefixer, run the following command. After Tailwind is installed, we need to generate the configuration files. Run the following command: Tailwind CSS init-p. This will set up the necessary configuration files for you to customize Tailwind as needed. Now, we need to tell Tailwind where to look for your React files. Open the tailwind.config.js file and add the following content to the content array so Tailwind can purge unused styles in production. Next, let's set up Tailwind's directives. Open the index.css file and add the following lines to include Tailwind's base, components, and utilities layers. This will inject Tailwind's default styles into your project.